Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce a new arrival TPM activation tool for GM Opel EL-50448. Let's test it on the land across 2010 year today. Step 1. Enter leveling model. Set gearshaft level to P. Put ignition switch to on. Enter the interface to tire pressure displayed by DIC. Press set control for a while. The home beep sound tries to enter the leveling mode, then choose yes. Step 2. Read tire pressure sensor information. Start from the front left rear, the front right rear, left rear. Please make the EL-50448 entering up against the right crawl position or close the rim of the tire sidewall. EL-50448 tire pressure to start by the start switch and successful. Read the pressure sensor information when the horn bleeps once.